Puppies are about 4 weeks old now. They are super playful, very interactive. Their little personalities are coming out. They've been eating dry food. We've been mixing it with with milk replacement. We're starting to let Mama wean a little bit, which I think is making her happy too, because the puppies are getting so big that they're kind of running out of room when they're trying to eat. So puppies get shots every 2 to 4 weeks. It kind of depends on what age they're at. Once they reach about 16 weeks is when they get the fully immunized so that they can go out in public. Generally the rule is up until they are fully immunized, no paws on the ground where there could be other dogs that are not immunized. It's a good idea to still socialize them and introduce them to other dogs, so long as you're aware that they are indeed fully immunized, since the puppy's immune systems aren't quite up to snuff yet. GRA is still in need of donations to help support the puppies in continuing to get their immunizations. Mama Lilly here will still be treated for her tick-borne disease that she has, which she can recover from, but it's pretty pricey as far as continuing to do the blood work and the doxycycline antibiotic that she'll need in order to treat that. So it could be a pretty lengthy process. It'll all just depend on how her body responds. Puppies still have their ongoing expenses of pee pads and food and all of that stuff. So any donations that anybody can make, just in general to GRA or in particular to Lily Mae and her puppies, would be much appreciated.